I'ma get on this motherfucking fishing with the motherfucking frog.
Frog.
Come on, nigga.
Oh, look at that stomach. It's like, ugh. Oh, that reminds me of Steve-O and like Jackass.
There you go.
Look at the legs.
Let's go, motherfucker.
Watch him fall in.
Therefore, he actually caught a fish.
Oh.
Oh my god! The frog is
You don't even need a bobber for that.
I see a lot of movement around there.
Did you hear that?
Hell yeah. Oh man.
Fucking belly up, look.
Belly fun.
Yeah.